YouTube's RC Neil again, and today we've got a 1/14 scale shed that we're going to assemble. I printed it in green, yellow, grey. You can see the black. As you can see, we've got about 5 sections of bits. This is the main bits for the shed. These are the beams. These are the beams support. These are the corners support for the shed itself. Staircase bits here, door and windows, and I think this is the moon roof for the top. These do also come. I'm gonna fit actual polyurethane glass, plastic it is called, in it as well. Okay, so I cannot find my glass, but yeah, they're gonna be cut glass fitted in the doors as well and in the windows. So yep, let's reorganize and get started. Now, just before we get the time-lapse started, I did find the glass. These are acrylic sheets, and they are 15 by 10 centimeter, and they are, I think, 0.5 millimeter thick. As you can see there, 0.5 millimeter thick, and I'm gonna be using these for the doors as well. So I'll probably glue them in or press fit them in. The paper does peels off, leaving a nice clear finish. As you can see, oh come on, it is a very tight. So let's screw this up. Yeah, so it leaves a nice clear finish. They're very easy to cut, and if you use the heat gun on it, very easy to bend as well. Alright, so any further wasting of time and stop breaking things, let's kick off with the time lapse. This is all going to be done in time lapse because it's going to take quite a while to build, and I'm using glues.